In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace email campaigns. First things first, open up Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. Navigating through the platform while logged in will give you access to all the tools you need to get started. Once you're in and comfortable on your homepage, look for the option labeled Email Campaigns and give it a click. This is your gateway to reaching out through email, but before you can start sending those campaigns, you'll need to set up a few important things. To begin your email journey, you'll need to add sender details. This is crucial because it gives your emails a professional appearance and allows your audience to recognize where their correspondence is coming from. Along with this, you'll need at least one mailing list. Think of this as your audience database. Without it, there wouldn't be anyone to send your campaigns to, right? Now, after you've created a mailing list, it's a great idea to make it easy for people to subscribe. You can do this by adding a newsletter block to your website, which acts as a welcoming spot for visitors to sign up. Head over to your website and click the Edit button to make changes to the layout. Here, you'll click on Add Block, and from the available options, select Newsletter. This block is a key feature that encourages visitor engagement and grows your mailing list organically. All right, you've set up your mailing list and added a newsletter block. Now, let's talk about sending an email campaign. When you're ready to draft and dispatch your emails, return to the Email Campaigns section. Here, you'll find the Create options, which offer you a choice of campaign types, blast and automation. A blast campaign is great if you're looking to send a one-time message to your entire list, like a special announcement or seasonal greeting. On the other hand, automation is designed for ongoing email communications, like a welcome series for new subscribers or a follow-up message after a purchase. Once you've crafted and sent your email campaign, Squarespace doesn't leave you wondering about its effectiveness. Their built-in analytics tools are your best friend in understanding how the campaign performed. These tools provide insights on aspects like open rates and clicks. Plus, they can even inform you if someone unsubscribed from your mailing list, which is valuable feedback for refining future campaigns. So there you have it. From setting up your account, creating a mailing list, adding subscription opportunities on your website, to choosing the type of campaign you wish to send, each step is crucial to starting successful email campaigns with Squarespace. Stay tuned for more tips and happy emailing.